Hi friends, now I'm going to discuss about the difference between delete, truncate and drop commands in SQL. So coming to this delete command, by using this we can delete the data using specific condition. So here I'll be writing a query like delete from, and next here we have to give the table name, that is sales. Delete from table name where id is equals to 1. So here I'll be deleting the data of id1. So I'll be writing like delete from table name where id is equals to 1. So after executing this, yeah, the query is executed successfully. So when I execute this select query, you can see, yeah, you can see, right, the data of id1 is deleted from the table. So in this way we can delete the data by specific condition using delete command. Okay, so next we will be discussing about truncate command in SQL. So by using this truncate command we can delete the data but not the structure of the table. Okay, so here by writing like the syntax of truncate command is nothing but truncate truncate and next truncate table, and next we have to give the table name here, so that is sales. By executing this, yeah, it is executed successfully. And next here when we execute this select command, you can see, right, the data is completely deleted but the structure of the table is remained same. You can see here, right? So in this way we can delete the data using truncate command. Okay, so next coming to that is drop command. So by using this drop command we can delete the entire data and also the structure of the table. I mean, we can delete the entire table from the database. So the syntax of drop command, it is very simple, that is drop table, and next we have to give the table name, that is sales. Drop table and table name. So when I execute this, it is also executed successfully, and when I try to execute this select query, uh, it is giving like error because the table is deleted from the database. So in this way the commands are used to delete the data. I mean, to delete the specific data we'll be using this delete command, and coming to this truncate, we'll be using this data to entire to delete the entire data but not the structure of the data. And by using this drop command we can delete the entire table from the database. So this is all about this video, and thank you.